There's a natural way to retrain your body to wake up with strong, healthy morning erections without pills, supplements, or artificial stimulants. Instead, this method works by restoring your body's own internal rhythm and circulation using a simple nighttime routine rooted in traditional medical practices, long before modern medicine began to rely so heavily on prescriptions. Tonight, I'll guide you through that forgotten ritual and explain how it works, backed by science. It's a straightforward, three-step process that sends a clear message to your body while you sleep. Restore, rebuild, and perform naturally. I'm Dr. Fiona, a licensed physician and psychologist dedicated to men's health and natural wellness. Over the years, I've helped thousands of men reconnect with their body's natural power without relying on medication. By the end of this video, you'll understand a complete bedtime routine designed to restore your natural morning vitality. But before we dive into the steps, let's talk about what's actually happening inside your body at night. So, let's get started. During sleep, particularly in the deepest stage known as REM sleep, your body goes into repair mode. This is when cell regeneration, hormone balance, and blood vessel restoration take place. For men, this stage also triggers what's called nocturnal penile tumescence, or spontaneous nighttime erections. In your 20s, your body typically produces 4 to 5 of these erections each night. As you age, that number gradually declines, largely due to reduced REM sleep, lower testosterone levels, and decreased nitric oxide production, the natural chemical that allows blood vessels to relax and carry more blood flow. According to modern research, men lose roughly 10% of nitric oxide activity per decade, which can lead to weaker circulation and slower repair. But aging doesn't have to mean losing your vitality. Your body has remarkable potential to restore itself when given the right signals. These nighttime erections actually serve 2 vital functions. First, they're a built-in test of vascular and nerve health, your body's way of confirming that everything is functioning properly. Second, they act as a kind of exercise, keeping your erectile tissue oxygenated and strong. When this natural cycle slows down, your erection health may start to decline faster than your actual age. You might be in your 30s but feel as though your body is performing like it's in its 50s. So, how do we restore that natural rhythm? Let's go over the 3-step bedtime ritual that supports blood flow, hormone balance, and muscle relaxation, all while you sleep. Step 1. Pelvic pressure release. Before bed, after you finish urinating, take a brief pause. Gently press the soft area between your testicles and anus using 2 fingers for a few seconds. This small area is where several important pelvic nerves and muscles meet. This gentle pressure helps release any residual urine that might remain near the prostate. Over time, retained drops can cause mild swelling or congestion in that region, reducing circulation. By releasing that pressure, you're improving comfort, circulation, and giving your body a cleaner start to rest. Step 2. Pelvic floor relaxation. Next, we'll use a simple tool, something as basic as a tennis ball. Place it beneath your pelvic area while sitting, right under that same soft region. Gently shift your weight forward and back. You're not pressing hard, just enough to feel a light stretch or pressure. This exercise relaxes the pelvic floor muscles that support your bladder, prostate, and erectile tissue. When these muscles stay tense for too long, they can constrict blood flow. Releasing them restores circulation and helps prevent fatigue in that area. Many physiotherapists and urologists now recommend similar myofascial release techniques for improving pelvic health in men. Step 3. Restorative breathing technique. Now we'll focus on your breathing. Breathe in gently through your nose for about 4 seconds, then exhale through your mouth for 6. This controlled breathing calms your nervous system and activates what doctors call the parasympathetic response, your body's natural rest and repair mode. This same breathing technique also increases nitric oxide release from your nasal passages, improving blood vessel function throughout the body. Each slow breath becomes a signal to your system. Relax, repair, and circulate. Do this 5 times before lying down to sleep. Bonus step: circulation training. If you've been struggling with low morning erections or feel like they're less frequent, consider adding a medically approved vacuum therapy device, commonly known as a pump. This isn't about vanity. It's about retraining the erectile tissue to respond properly to blood flow. Used carefully and consistently, this can help restore elasticity, stimulate new blood vessel growth, and promote oxygenation. Think of it as physiotherapy for your vascular system, a way to remind your body that this function still matters and can be strengthened naturally. By combining these steps, the pelvic release, the gentle rolling massage, the mindful breathing, and optional circulation training, you're not just improving performance. You're retraining your nervous system, enhancing blood flow, and supporting your hormonal health holistically. This is about working with your body, not against it. When you understand how your system repairs itself, you stop fighting symptoms and start supporting function. That's where real vitality begins. If you want to go deeper into understanding prostate and pelvic health, I've prepared a detailed guide that explains these techniques step by step, including the science behind each one. You can find it linked below. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable recovery. All it needs is consistent care, a little patience, and the right approach to bring your natural strength back. Thank you for joining me. Take care of your health, rest well, and trust that your body can do incredible things, naturally.